I'm Charlie Merrill and I'm General Manager at Geoff Merrill Wines, located in Woodcroft, South Australia. We do all our winemaking here on site. We've got about 2,000 barrels here. Infinite Energy did a lot of solar projects up in McLaren Vale, which is about 20 minutes away from our property here. I looked at their website, really professional, really liked what they had to offer, so I decided to get in contact with them. Darren was very understanding of the needs and requirements of our business. We had 64 sun power solar panels installed, so it was a 29.68 kilowatt system, and we also had an inverter installed as well. The solar panels that we have a 10-year warranty. In 10 months, we've saved almost $8,000. The process in itself, they made really easy. They did everything for us, from getting the SA network approvals to council approvals to getting engineers out here to look at the site. The SunPower system also offers a website, so I'm able to log on from home or from work and have a look at how much we're producing at any given time. You really can see the benefits of it straight away. Yeah, it's really easy to use as well. If you don't have solar power, get on it now. Infinite Energy have been incredible. They've really helped me through the process, but they also were able to get everything done in such a great manner, and we've really benefited from it. So I would definitely recommend to get solar and to give Infinite Energy a call today.